लेट मी टेल यू H&M पे बहुत अच्छा सेल चल रहा होता है हमेशा, लाइक नॉट हमेशा, फ्यू टाइम। Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is all about the H&M jewelry haul. Do you remember that I made a video of the Myntra haul, and there I said I shopped quite a lot from H&M and jewelry was part of it. Although I didn't want to mix up all the things together, so I kept this jewelry haul and the clothing wala haul separately, and now it's a high time. After 1 month of use, I can tell you that I'm quite sure about the quality and they just look amazing. How beautiful design H&M provides. सस्ते में टिकाऊ सा मिल जाता है तुमको. So what else you need for jewelry, because ऐसे सारे जो dainty jewelries होते हैं वो ज़्यादा देर last नहीं करता है. Previously also I made various jewelry haul on my channel, starting from the first ever YouTube video on my channel was about the evastylish.com ka jewelry. I tried and tested out. They do, oxidize over a period of time, and yeah, the color does not retain. But having said that, the price points they provide at is like a gem. And even after doing the evastylish.com, I have done the Jhaveri pearls and many there, right? And those all went really good on my channel, so I'm very much excited for this one as well. And so without any further delay, now we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you were seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to beauty, makeup, lifestyle and fashion on this channel. So please do consider subscribing to my channel, and that would mean a world to me. So without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, I tied up my hair. It's quite hot, and okay, so let's start with the first thing first. And so let's start now. So I have this jewelry dabba right here. Here I got all the things that I want to show you for today's video. And having said that, okay, so I have this many to show you right now. Let's start. Okay, so the first earring I have is this one right here. It's a very trendy earring right there in the market right now, because it's a very beautiful जो भी water drop kind of earrings अभी बन रहा है फिलहाल. The trendiest one, I got hands on those. Its quality is quite good because I have worn for certain videos, and फिलहाल तो ये सब कुछ ठीक है. Like the color didn't wear out, and I quite like it how it is. It's not too big or not too small, just perfect for my face. So in this video, so this is the first one and it cost me $299. I just love this earring. This is really good, just fancy and all out there, just following the trends and everything. I really love it. So moving to the next purchase, right from the H&M earrings, I got their five pieces of earrings ka set. This time they got all the hoops. This is how it looked like basically. It got the small hoop, medium sized hoop, and also the big one. This is the biggest one, and it got this very beautiful trendy thoda sa artwork mein bana hai ye wala earring. I really love this, the bigger one. This smaller one doesn't fit me well because of my earlobe, so I have a problem with my earlobe. Not to worry about the design, but design is very pretty, just that this छोटा वाला earring मेरे को fit नहीं होता है. But having said that, I love this big earring and they just look so good. multitask हो जाता है इससे, and this cost me $7.99. This is how it look like. So like if you want to give it a try, just go for this set one, see whether you like it or not, how the quality is for you. You can definitely consider it buying. Although you can go for this Chotusa also because this is the friendliest one, and you can check the quality upon yourself and can decide if you want to buy from H&M or not. So this is how it look like. Okay, so moving to the next one, and this one I am excited for. Let me see what I have for this. मैंने इसको open नहीं किया इसीलिए मुझे नहीं पता है how it is. Oh, okay. I quite like it. These are the, you know, the rectangle shaped hoop earring from H&M. This is quite big. It will look really nice on my face. I can believe that. So this is how it look like. It says the MRP of this one is $5.99, and this is how it look like. हमेशा ही ट्रेंड में था. This would look very classy statement piece. You know, you are wearing nothing bracelet or you know the chains, necklace on. Just go for this hoops that look so classy look and all together so put together look that it creates. So I just love this kind of pieces. So okay, so moving to the next one right here. You have seen me again. This is my another favorite one. I just can't tell you. This is a dual thing, you know. You can wear it as it is, like how it is. Also, you can move this part right here. ये नीचे का part you can remove it and wear it like a single loop, a single hoop right there, and it looks so good. Follow me, you know already. I wore this in one of my video. It was probably Nykaa wala haul, I'm guessing. But yeah, this is a very nice statement piece. Please go for this one. This is quite a pricier than this all you get in. This is $2.99 and this one is for $6.99. A little bit pricey, but you can wear it in two different ways. So getting one earring and you can wear it like you are getting two earrings as a whole. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try. It's a very nice piece right there, and I just love it. So moving to the last one I will show you for this video. I have for you all is this one right here, and oh, how beautiful this one is. I remember while sharing, definitely I do, but this is how beautiful in person. I can just look at it for some time and I'm in awe right now. So I really love this one. This is how it look like. It's like a bunch of grapes, a bunch of fruits right there hanging. This is so good, such a statement piece. I quite like it. How it looked like. I'm sure I'm gonna try it. I didn't try this one, so I am soon going to try in one of my videos. You're gonna see right there, and also you will be seeing now as well how it looks on me. But this one is so beautiful. I just love it. I think this is gonna be my new favorite. Okay, so this is how it looked like, and it cost me $7.99. It's quite pricier, but then worth it. I think this is beautiful. It's worth my money. If I can wear it for like a So I think if it lasts me for 2 years, this is good to go. पूरा पैसा वसूल हो जाएगा then, and I totally love it. How beautiful this one is. Okay, so that's it for this jewelry haul right there. H&M ka jewelry, all I purchased this time. So I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up. Also comment down below that what else you want to see from my side. I will love making videos for you all because I need your support then. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.